how to become an engineer. Isa wanted to have a different dream, a different aspiration, apart from become a sheikh. Because these children that are taken to Khalwa or Quranic school, their only biggest aspiration or the only thing they wanted to become is to become a sheikh. If you go around and asking these children, the only way they will tell you or their own aspiration is to become a sheikh, to lead the biggest mosque in Sudan. This is their only aspiration. They do not have anything else. For 7 years, they are learning Quran. Now, the only thing that is pissing me off is that these children, most of them, that are taken to Khalwa, majority of these children are indigenous Sudanese. The Arabs' descendants children, they are taken outside to go and learn different things. When they come back, they are the doctors. When they come back, they are the engineers. When they come back, they are the leaders in Sudan. But the children of indigenous Sudanese are only told to learn about the Quran. This is something that is pissing me off. The Arabs' descendant children are the one leading Sudan right now. They are the one being doctors. They are the one doing constructions. But these indigenous children of Sudan, they are sent to Khalwa. And most of them are sheikhs in Sudan. Most of them are leading mosque. Most of them even do not even have anything apart from knowing the Quran. This is the reality in Sudan. So if this shit is coming to South Sudan, with the current situation we are in right now, how do you think our children are going to resist the money that is going to be given to them? I do remember when we are in primary school, we used to pass by a mosque. These people, they will come and tell us that if you come to mosque and learn about the Quran, we are going to give you money. The only way we did not convert or we did not go to mosque because our parents used to tell us that these people, they hate us so much. And indeed, they hate us because they used to call us kafir. They used to call us kuffar. They hated us. This is the reason why we survive. And indeed, when we grew up, I came to learn about how these people hated the South Sudanese because most of the South Sudanese were Christians. So right now they have the opportunity because they have manipulated and fooled these leaders who are after money. They are not after saving the South Sudanese. These Islamic organizations, I believe, has given a lot of money for this government to sign the memorandum of understanding to let these people go outside, even to the villages. You see how poor many South Sudanese are. This organization will use their money, funded from UAE, from Saudi Arabia, from Egypt, from all the Islamic nations, they will use this money to convert poor South Sudanese. This is a serious message. You take this for granted, you will see the results in 20 years' times to come. If you want something to confirm this, or maybe something to follow, you save this video so that next time you say that somebody said this thing years back. So be careful, and this is the message that I wanted to pass. I wanted to use my own language, but because I wanted everybody to hear what I'm saying, so I decided to use English. Maybe I will do part 2 using my own language. Thank you. And I want you to share this so that many South Sudanese get the message clear.